This is lesson 3.8, number models for area, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math. There aren't any new vocabulary words in this lesson. And the things that we want kids to know, we want them to be able to use multiplication facts to find the area of rectangles. So our next unit we really focus on multiplication. This unit we're just getting started. So if we have a rectangle that's, let's say, 2 by 4, we want kids to say, well, 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 what? 8 square inches, centimeters, whatever it is. 8 square units. Alright, so 8 square units. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have also kids be able to know how to draw and use arrays to find the area of rectangles. So an array looks like these dots here in rows and in columns. Alright, so here's an example of a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4 array. So that would equal 12. That would equal 12 square, say, centimeters. And if kids saw a multiplication problem, 3 times 4, we want them to be able to say, oh, okay, well, I can draw an array that's 3 by 4, and then fill that in, and then be able to count the dots and get 12. That's another skill we want. And so we also want them to be able to use these arrays to write these number models here. So 3 times 4 equals 12. All right. Essentially, we want them to understand how to get the area and how to draw arrays and go back and forth between the number model, which is this piece here, and calculating how much area that actually is. As far as how you can help with this at home, if you do not have flashcards yet, please pick up some flashcards for multiplication. We are going to be starting to focus on multiplication very soon, so that will be helpful. And as so far as talking about area, continue to have kids measuring things, and then you can have them multiply the sides by each other. If it's more tricky, like one of the projects we've practiced in here, you can actually have them just use a calculator for the multiplying piece, just so they can understand the idea of it. But if simple facts like this, we really want to work towards kids being able to memorize. And just help to reinforce that area is the amount inside, okay? And just keeping that separate from perimeter, which is the distance around. So perimeter is the distance around, and then area is the amount inside. Alright, so this is lesson 3.8, number models for area, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math.